On my back to learning Affinity in the year day 45, let me show you how you can create a trapezoid shape. Sit again in the toolbox where the rectangle is. You can also right click on this toolbox and then find it via the list. Left click drag as always to create it freeform. And if you hold shift when you drag it, it's going to constrain the size. So width and height, you can see that down here, and the transform will be the same when you hold shift and drag it. Let me select them and delete them. We'll start with a fresh one. I'll hold shift when I drag that. The big advantage of using this tool can be found in the top menu. When you select it, you will find left point and right point, and this is the position of the anchor point right there. You can go from 0 to 100%, but obviously it's the other point that limits how far you can go. For example, here left point is 15%, so I can only drag the right point to 15% max to have a triangle. If I drag the left point to 5%, I can also drag the right point to 5%. So this is a limitation here, but you can create basically all trapezoid shapes using this option. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.